Feeling too hard to assemble a group lithium battery pack, it's best for 2 packs in parallel connection. Next, I'm going to show you step by step. Watch this. And first of all is the battery cells. This is 100 amp hours from Gaussian. I think you know this brand. And also we're going to make is full series number, full series connection, make 12 volts, and 2 packs make the parallel connection. And also for the BMS part, I'm prepared is 4 to 8 series number, which means compatible version. All these systems for ESS, energy storage system.